Inland provides premium solutions for our customers, both for commercial truck and equipment. We operate across 4 provinces, 1 territory, and 3 states. A big focus of ours is mobile service, whether that be in the field for heavy equipment needs, on the side of the road for commercial truck, everything from emergency roadside repair to scheduled long repairs where our technicians are in the field for quite some time.
The mobile service department provides on-site diagnostics and quick recalls just so we keep our customers on the road. That saves them a lot of time and money. Our customers are super grateful that we're out there, providing the service quickly and effectively.
Our mobile service techs are highly trained, tooled, and supported to help our customers reduce their costs. We want to be out looking after our customers so they don't have to bring the truck to us, reducing their expenditures while increasing their uptime.
Inland has had to evolve to advanced diagnostics that's really focused on computer systems and information. One of the greatest features that we have on the service trucks is telematics. It provides information to technicians where we're able to go to a location with a plan already in place. For example, it'll give us a fault code so we know ahead of time that it could possibly be a certain part that's a root cause of failure, and we'll have more information when we get on site. Most of the stuff that we're doing is advanced diagnostics. So a lot of the equipment that we use is mostly on a computer.
We can help our customers remotely. We don't require somebody in that local area, in that city. We can handle that remotely, set our customers up for success by dispatching field techs who are tooled and have all the parts they need to be able to help them out of the situation that they're in. Inland's investment in a mobile service has been significant. Some of our investment has been driven by our customers' diverse needs. Because we operate throughout Western Canada and the Western United States, our customers' needs are different. They run different equipment, they run different trucks, and they have different jobs. The pressure on our customers to operate today and tomorrow is significant. Any way that we can help them operate their fleet in a more efficient manner, whether that be truck or equipment, we want to do. With our technician training and the tooling, it's been a significant investment for Inland, but it helps keep our customers on the road doing what those trucks are supposed to be doing. Our customers have told us having an available technician to help them make business decisions. Sometimes it's not just the cost of the repair. In fact, the cost of the repair is insignificant to the lost revenue or production time that truck or machine has.
One of the greatest things about working at Inland and being part of this project is being able to serve our customers on a really personal level.
I'm really proud of all the service staff at Inland, and I couldn't be more proud of the work that they're doing. The feedback I get from the customers tells me how successful we are.